Your ideal closet may seem out of reach, but with little hard work and a modest budget, it's quite possible to achieve. Whether you're looking to improve your current closet organization system, create a brand new closet layout, or simply find more space to store your belongings, these do-it-yourself minimalist closet ideas will help. As always, Simp Home curates you with a list. Number 10. A corner custom closet idea. Make the most of your spacious closet with a personalized closet system. Don't waste the space in your deep closets by only using one wall. Instead, install additional shelves along all of the walls. Put holes through pockets. Each piece of the horizontal shelf must have pocket holes drilled into it. The smaller shelf pieces have 2 pocket holes, while the bigger ones have 3. You should then sand down rough spots. Join brackets together for shelves. Shelving supports must be cut and attached to the wall and on both sides of the shelves. Keep your L shelves from shifting around with this. The finishing coat. Mount the racks for hanging garments. Put the finishing touches on your brand new closet and paint it. Before applying the final coat, you can use paintable silicone to patch any remaining cracks or holes. Number 9. The minimalist custom closet idea with extra decals. You'll need the Closet Made Suite Symphony Organizer from Lowe's, 4 drawers per closet, and some extra storage to install above the lower closet rod to implement the concept as described. 2 of the closets in the example home are less than the recommended 6-foot width. Construct the central tower of the closet system first. Although the central tower may need to be adjusted to fit your height, it was still simple to assemble. If you need to fit the tower underneath an existing shelf, remove roughly 10 inches from the top. Then you should fasten the tower in the center of the wall. Plug the unneeded holes temporarily or use wood filler to fill them in permanently for a more streamlined appearance. Cute drawer holders and decals are an easy way to give your drawers a unique touch. Number 8. Avoid busy colors and unnecessary clutter. The trick to not abandoning the less is more concept in furnishing while maintaining your creative clothing is selecting the proper wardrobe or analyzing a clever nook for an open wardrobe. The doors are the focal point of the building, so they need to be well designed. Indeed, the design of the doors, whether they slide or swing, determines the wardrobe's aesthetic. Moreover, there's a wide selection out there to choose from. Smooth doors or tiny geometric cutouts that double as door handles are a safe bet. Additional minor aspects can make a difference beyond the doors themselves. A sliding door wardrobe is several centimeters thicker than a swing door wardrobe, yet it requires no space for opening. Also, installing a leaf door will hide the mirrors in the closet, giving you more room for something else. Number 6. A minimalist wardrobe transformation with custom instructions. The absence of extraneous elements is the main character of minimalism. If this isn't your very first closet, the first thing you should do is bring order to the chaos that is now present. Take everything out of the closet and organize it. Determine the ones you wear the most often and put them in. To make some additional room, put away goods that are only used during certain times of the year and get rid of clothing you no longer wear. If you wear fewer clothes, you'll have more room to breathe. If you don't have a closet system, consider giving your existing closet a facelift by adding some rails and more shelves. You're given the ability to relocate the shelves whenever and wherever you see fit thanks to the railing system. You're more than welcome to put in some baskets to store your accessories, or in the case of the kids' room, their toys. If you want a simpler and cheaper option, you can visit our featured content titled 10 Organization Ideas and DIY Projects Using Tension Rods. Although the idea won't solve your serious closet clutters, you'll be able to acquire new perspectives on how to give your wardrobe more storage boxes without complicated construction works. With that said, let's continue our entry with Number 5. The ideal ways to manage an open closet. When you have one closet, it's typically to put the most often used items, such as the most frequently worn clothes, in the front and center. Finding a spot where you can easily access your daily suit is the goal. To complete the outfit, place your footwear beneath the garments or on the shelves next to them. You can display bags and other accessories by hanging them, placing them in boxes, or leaving them on shelves. Number 4. How to pick the best accessories for your minimal closet. Don't overlook these 2 necessities after you've figured out what to store and how to arrange your minimalist closet. To begin, you'll need adequate night vision to know what you're looking for once the sun goes down. Put another way, you'll want to ensure adequate illumination. Second, a mirror is essential for gauging the overall effect of your ensemble. Besides being functional, mirrors and illumination also serve as decoration in minimalist design. So maybe you want to skip traditional lamps and chandeliers. Instead, go with built-in lights, fairy lights, or an LED with the mirror. Number 3. How to keep your minimal wardrobe to their mint condition. To keep your minimalist clothing, mix up your thrift shopping. In fact, treat donating, selling, or recycling your clothes as new routines. We recommend doing this closet cleanup every season to see your minimalist style and what new items you need, if any. However, after the routine, don't use your closet cleanout as an excuse to fill it up again quickly. Maintaining a minimalist wardrobe is almost as hard as starting one. That's why discipline is needed. It means avoiding buying sprees and impulse buys. Number 2. How do you acquire the ideal closet for your bedroom? A walk-in closet is becoming a standard feature in the layout of brand new homes, and it can take the form of either a dedicated room or an alcove. The advantage is that it frees up the bedroom from clothing, accessories, and other items, and allows you to see all of your garments at once. On the other hand, if a walk-in closet is a priority for you, having a very spacious bedroom is not necessary. If you arrange the furniture in the room so that the bed sits in the middle of the space, you can utilize space behind the bed as a new storage area. You can also purchase a regular closet system and seal it off with a curtain. For the best results, it's always best to invest in a closet system that's been custom built to fit your demands, challenge, and working area. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have Simp-Home Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1, a minimalist closet idea for a new baby. Minimalism doesn't only work with adult closets, but also with babies. Babies go through plenty of clothing daily, making many parents think of buying more clothes as the solution. But often, they'll end up with more than the babies will use. Therefore, here are some tips for the minimalist concept you should consider. Babies grow fast, so reconsider the amount and size of clothes you're going to buy. Opt for one-piece clothing. This will give you less laundry than the separate ones. The more you do laundry, the fewer clothes you should buy because they'll always have something ready to wear. Don't waste on accessories, especially for a newborn. They don't need shoes or a headband yet. Even for some babies, a headband is something irritating. Hang their pieces. Like adult closets, picking the items you hang on the wall or closet is much easier. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.